Hey guys, very good evening all of you. A very warm welcome to this session guys. My name is Pritesh Joshi. I'm your host, your host and a proud master teacher from Vedantu welcoming you to yet another dhamakedar, padakedar and mazar session by Vedantu Young Wonders on the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. So very warm welcome everybody. Wishing you all a very belated happy Raksha Bandhan. It was the beautiful festival of Raksha Bandhan yesterday that we celebrated in India, which showed the bond of a brother and a sister. Basically, it is not only celebrated between a brother and a sister, it is also celebrated between anybody who feels safe, who feels warm, and who feels comfortable in the presence of someone else. So even if a sister wants to tie Rakhi to a sister, or a brother wants to tie to another brother, or a sister wants to tie to an uncle or a father or anyone, I believe that it is a festival that shows happiness and harmony within the family. So there are many different cultures who celebrate this festival in different manners. Rakhi is also tied to a sister-in-law by the sister. So there are many such different variations in this tradition, in this festival. But anyway, more or less it was a festival of happiness. It was a festival of celebration and spreading the happiness around us. Right? So guys, with that, let us begin today's chapter, that is conservation of plants and animals. So let us begin the chapter with some beautiful quotes that we have. Okay. So they say that in every day there are 1440 minutes, which means we have got 1440 daily opportunities to make a positive impact. And Les Brown said it. It's a beautiful quote by Les Brown. And they say that a single sneeze travels 100 miles per hour and shoots 1 lakh germs into the air. And that is why they say that whenever you are sneezing, cover your mouth, cover your nose and sneeze like this. So because one sneeze can be a potential threat to so many people because it is spreading 1 lakh germs. Right? Apart from that guys, follow me here on Pritesh_Vedantu. Day before yesterday I shared a beautiful story. So Vacom India had written something about me and I shared it on my story. So please follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu and get an update of what all is going on with me, and you can update me with what all is going on in you. Now guys, if you want to tell me anything, there are thousands of DMs that I get every single day. So please, if you want to tell me something that really needs my attention, you can tag me, because when you tag, it is something that I can't miss. Because I go to the mentions and then I read wherever you have tagged me or if there is any image. So if you are waiting for a response by me on your DM, so guys, I get thousands of DMs every single day. Even now my Insta is full with DMs and it doesn't become always possible to reply to each and every DM because there are so many DMs. You can tag me and then I'll be able to answer you, right? But follow me at Pritesh_Vedantu guys. And there is a riddle for you that I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stones, and cities with no buildings. What am I? Can anybody solve this riddle quickly? I have lakes with no water, mountains with no stone, and cities with no buildings. What am I? Very good. Great. It is a map. The map, right? With that, guys, also do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. Yesterday we also did a beautiful session on who exactly invented exams. That was a beautiful session that I did. It was a small 10-minute session, but thank you so much for the love that you guys gave me. It was beautiful, right? So if you haven't watched that nice session, please go and watch. It says that who invented exams. It happened yesterday at 11 o'clock. Okay? With that, if you want to learn with me, my batch for grade 8 has already started and there are new batches coming up every day. So if you want to learn with me and all the amazing teachers at Vedantu, just go to vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code PRPRO. Okay? And here is a leaf in this room which I have. It just dried off and it fell. So I unfortunately had to pluck this leaf. It has turned quite yellow with little green spots. But I'll tell you what is a feature of to know that actually the leaf is now to be plucked. First of all, pruning or cutting off the leaves of the dry leaves, especially of the plants, is very important because any part of the plant takes energy from the plant. So if you remove the unwanted parts like ripe fruits, dried leaves, they help the plant to grow better. So please remember that you remove the dry leaves. I know this is something which is not a part of the topic, but it's fine. Second thing is, when you're trying to pluck a leaf which is dried off or which is lifeless, it easily comes off from the plant. It very easily just comes off. But if a leaf is very nice and green, it will not be very easy to pluck it. You have to put effort. But if the leaf is dried off, you just do like this and it will just come off very easy. Right? Chalo. Now guys, we are learning conservation of plants and animals, and in this video today, we'll be learning about conservation of animals. So there are three ways in which animals are conserved. You have got sanctuary, biosphere reserve and a national park. Sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been marked where activities like plantation, cultivation, grazing, hunting, poaching, everything is prohibited. In a sanctuary, in a national park or a biosphere reserve, everything like plantation, cultivation, grazing, hunting, poaching, everything is prohibited. These are protected and reserved areas. These are all protected and reserved areas. You cannot do any kind of human activity over here in sanctuary, biosphere reserve or a national park. Now we'll be studying sanctuaries first. So sanctuary, like the Jim Corbett National Park and the Ranthambore National Park, these National Park ho gaya. These are the places where animals and their habitats are safe from any external disturbance with limited human activity. So this is a national park, right? If you remember, 2 weeks back I had posted an image on my Instagram showing the life cycle of butterfly, where I showed the egg of the butterfly, I showed the pupa, I showed the caterpillar, and I also showed the butterfly mating. All of that I had put on my Instagram. That picture was from the butterfly park which is located in Banerghatta National Park in Bangalore. So I have visited the Banerghatta National Park in Bangalore thrice, and in a national park you are in a caged vehicle. The animals are in their natural surroundings and you get to watch them from a distance. So you move around in the jungle in protected vehicles and the animals are in the open. So in the national park we have got animals like lions, tigers, the white tigers, bears, elephants, deer, nilgai, bison. There are different kind of animals in different national parks, right? So national park is a protected area where you are in the cage and the animals are in their natural habitat. Limited human activities allowed over there. You can just roam around through the national park. You cannot step down. You cannot do anything to the animals, right? Now, national park. So these are actually sanctuary. So ये उल्टा हो गया. This is actually a sanctuary. Right? These are the places where animals can use their habitats and natural resource freely. Some of the well-known sanctuaries in India are the Bandipur National Park and the Kaladev Ghana National Park. Again, इन्होंने कुछ confusion कर दिया है national park and sanctuary में. So the sanctuaries are also places which are protected for the enrichment of the animals and the plants and birds. Biosphere reserve, these are the places for conservation of wildlife, animals, plants, traditional life of tribes. These are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. So biosphere reserve is a huge area. Biosphere reserve is a huge area. In this biosphere reserve, there can be a national park. In this biosphere reserve, there can be a bird sanctuary. In this biosphere reserve, there can be a zoo. So biosphere reserve is a huge area which looks after the development and the conservation and preservation of everything that is in that biosphere reserve. It can include water bodies, It can include forests, it can include animals, it can include plants, and it also includes the tribals, living in that area. So Biosphere Reserve is a huge area which includes forests, plants, animals, water bodies, and also the tribals. Okay? So when we talk about Biosphere Reserve, it refers to the variety of organisms living on the earth, their interrelationship and relationship with the environment. Okay? Some of the well-known biosphere reserves in India are the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named as Satpura and two wildlife sanctuary named as Bori and Pachmari. This is super important. This is VIP. 100% guaranteed question in the exam. Biosphere Reserve, the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Now, this is the entire Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. In this, you have got the Bori Sanctuary, you have got the Satpura National Park, you have also got the Pachmari Sanctuary. So, this entire area is the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. In this, you have got a sanctuary, in this, you have got a national park, in this, you have got one more sanctuary, you have got a reservoir. So, Biosphere Reserve is a huge area which protects the plants, animals, water bodies, tribals, everything. It looks after the conservation of all the different components of that Biosphere Reserve, and it can have multiple components in it, like a bird sanctuary, like a wildlife sanctuary, like a national park. There can be multiple things under one Biosphere Reserve. And one of the famous biosphere reserves in India is the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve, where you have got the Satpura National Park and the wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmari. Okay? See the biosphere reserves in India. The biosphere reserves in India are, you have got in the Gulf of Mannar, you have got one. Then Agastya Malai, Nilgiri in Karnataka, Seshachalam in Andhra Pradesh, Simlipal, Odisha, Sundarbans in the West Bengal, and Anchanakmar and Amarkantak in MP and Chhattisgarh, Panna in MP, Pachmari in MP, Rann of Kutch, Gujarat, Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand, Cold Desert, Himachal Pradesh, Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh, Dibru Saikhowa in Assam, Manas in Assam, Nokrek in Meghalaya, and Khangzhengzonga in Sikkim. So these are the different biosphere reserves in India. Even you have got one in the Great Nicobar Island. So these are the different biosphere reserves in India. We have learned about the Pachmari, in which you have got Bori and the Pachmari Wildlife Sanctuary and the Satpura National Park. Okay? Chalo. With that, guys, last week I had asked you a question that in a certain plant, red fruit is dominant over yellow fruit and tallness is dominant over shortness. If a plant with the big R, that is homozygous red and heterozygous tall genotype, is crossed with a homozygous yellow and homozygous short genotype, what will be the percentage of tall plants with red fruits? 50% is the correct answer. 50% is the correct answer. Okay? Now guys, if you want to learn with me and all the amazing teachers at Vedantu, you just need to see over here. You'll experience handwritten notes of the teachers, the quizzes, the leaderboard and the rewards. You also get revision of the classes, replays, recordings. You get to learn in the language of your choice from the teacher of your choice at the timing of your choice. So you basically get anything and everything that a student can ever ask for. And for grade 8, the cost for this Vedantu Pro subscription is just rupees 1890 after you put the coupon code PRPRO. So the actual cost of the course is rupees 2700, but after you put PRPRO, you just have to pay rupees 1890 for 32 live classes per month. You're getting 32 live classes in this cost, and if you want to pay for the entire year, that is from today till the end of your final exams, so you just have to pay rupees 24,300. In this cost, you are getting math, science, English, SST, right? 32 live classes. Along with that, you are getting access to 5,000 plus micro courses at the same cost. In the same cost, you're getting everything. And if you want to buy this, then you just need to go to vdnt.in/ytpro. So this is the code. So when you go to vdnt.in/ytpro, this is the page where you land. Here you just need to select your grade. Just a minute. Yeah, you can select your grade over here, that is grade 8. Your board exam will be CBSE, I assume. You can choose from ICSE. You can choose, you've got the options like ICSE, Maharashtra board, CBSE board, foundation course or coding classes. Once you choose that, you've got 3 different plans over here: Vedantu Pro, Lite, Classic and Premium. In Lite, you get live classes plus tests and analysis, assignments, notes and doubt solving during the class live. In Classic, you get everything plus doubt solving on the mobile app, and in Premium, you get everything plus a personal mentor of your own. So if you want to buy this, you can just click on apply coupon, and when you click on apply coupon, you can put the coupon code PRPRO, and when you click on apply, you get a flat 10% off. In only rupees 1890, you get 32 live classes. This is Vedantu Pro Lite. For Classic, the cost per month is 2700, and for Premium, the cost per month is 5400, in which you are getting 32 live classes for Maths, English, Science, Social Studies and Science, right? So you can see you're getting 32 live classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fours are 32 classes in a month. Okay? 2 of Math, 2 of Science, 2 of English and 2 of Social Studies. You can just click on anything that you want, Lite, Classic or Premium. Okay? So see, if you click on Lite, you're getting more classes. If you click on Lite, you're getting even general knowledge. So if you click on Lite, you're basically getting 2, 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 4 are 48 classes, guys. This is the benefit of buying Vedantu Lite. In 1890, you are getting 48 classes. Oh my god, this even I didn't know. In Lite, you're getting 48 classes in a week. 48 classes in a week. Okay? So guys, you just need to go to vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code PRPRO, and this is the code for the Mentee. The code for the Mentee is 93118047. 93114087. TK, you are already in Pro Lite, so please share your experience. Come on, I'm great, Geetha. Chalo guys, quickly. Hi Bhargavi, Brinda, Geetha. Come on, hi Harshita. See, the difference is that in a wildlife sanctuary, the restrictions are less. And it protects animals, insects and birds, mostly only animals. In a national park, the restrictions are too much. It is very, very high restricted area. It protects flora, fauna, landscape and the historical objects. And in a biosphere reserve, the restrictions are moderate and it protects the entire biodiversity, including the water bodies, including the tribals, everything. Okay? So that is the difference between national park, sanctuary and biosphere reserve. No, Rita, actually, two times it has happened that I have booked the tickets to visit Kolkata, and both the times I had to cancel it. So I don't know when, but hopefully I'll visit soon. Come on guys, quickly join the Mentee. Just go to www.mentee.com and use the code 93118047. Nahi Beauty Kumari, every Monday we do the class at 9 only. So aaj to I don't think late hua hai. Hi Navika Chakraborty, kemon achen tumi? That's great, Saibal. Bishon Bhalo. Hi Sidhu, Ayushi. Hello Raji Sahib. Harshita Uta Ivaga Agila. Yes, Navita, I was for 1.5 years I was living in Delhi. So I know Delhi like the back of my hand. Hello Bhavya, Brinda, I'm great, thank you so much. Anukritik, chalo quickly join the Mentee. Thank you SME fan club, thank you. They great Shrikant, amazing. Hi Ashlesha Goswami, Brinda, I'm good. Hi Prajwal, Chitra, yes I start. एक बार थोड़े से हो जाए बच्चे. Yes Vaibhav, hello. How are you? Hi Prathamesh, Abhinav, Anushka, Manmori. Oh, the new student, welcome to the session. Tulsi, it is on Wednesday at 9 o'clock. No, Wednesday I think it will be 5 or 6, I'm not sure. Hi, Atlian from Kerala. Kalpana, yes, I'm visiting Chennai also next month. Thank you, Bhavya. Hi, Bharat, Tanushri, Ram Babu. Chal. Omkar, if you want to meet me every day, you can join the Vedanta Pro subscription. Thank you, Lakshmi Priya. Lots of love to Odisha as well. Hi, Divyansh. Hi, Anu Thomas. Chal. Hi, Vikas. Chal. Let's start. Let us start the Mentee. So, guys, I'll have to be here and thank you, Bhavya. Tumio Bishon Dhalo. So, I'll have to be here and operate because this board is having some issues. So, we have got very beautiful 6 questions for you based on Biosphere Reserve, National Park, and the wildlife sanctuaries. So, please be alert while answering. And I'm starting the quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, can we have 150? And yes, let's start. Here is the first question, guys. Yes, there's a different channel, VOS Lavanya, Vedanta Olympiad School. A place in environment where organism lives is called home, resort, habitat or reservoir. Very, very easy question. আমি ভীষণ ভালো সাইবল, তুমি কেমন আছেন? Hello Sushma, hello. Hello Nikita. Nikita, yes. Chalo. Where does an organism live? In a home, resort, habitat or reservoir? Very, very easy question. Very good Nikita, you're absolutely right. Geeta, no problem. There are 5 more questions coming your way. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Chalo. Very good. 147 of you have answered, out of which 106 are correct. It is a habitat. Reservoir is a water reserve. It is a water reserve. Hi Manasvi Gotwal. Hello Garima. Chalo, let us look at the super board with the superstars for this question. And on the super board with the superstars, we have got Kushbu, your bag, Archana, Ronit, Barefoot Contessa, Supriti, definitely Harsh, Pokemon, thank you so much, Ribbit, Harshita, and Karan. So, hi Kushbu, you're back. Hi Ronit, high five, fist five, great. So, Supriti reminds me of that actress Sukriti Khandpal. Anyway, Supriti, Pokemon, thank you so much. God bless you, dearest. And Harshita, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's great that you're enjoying the classes, and I am all the more happy to have you as a part of the family. So, welcome. Great. Chalo. God bless you. Let us move ahead with the second question. Question number 2 on your screens. Question number 2 on your screens now. The question is again a very easy one. I'm good, Ayushi. Lantic. Animals are protected in their natural habitat. Everything in natural, you are in a cage. Garden, zoo, wildlife sanctuary, or aquarium. Where will an animal be protected and you will be inside a caged vehicle? Where do you think this happens? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Great going, great going. Come on, and time is up. So, very good. Out of 160, 140 of you have answered correctly that it will be a wildlife sanctuary where animals will be protected and we will be in a caged vehicle or whatever, in a safari. Kushbu, Archana, Ronit, Harsh, Pokemon, Harshita, Varsha, Shubhashri, Shanmukh, and Sanika. That's beautifully awesome. Kushbu, you're the fastest. That's great. And we have got a tie between Pokemon and Harshita. Beautiful. Moving on. मस्त आहे, आवडला अद्या, खूपच छान. Question number 3 on your screens. Thank you, Teja. Hunting, poaching are prohibited in dash. Where is hunting and poaching prohibited? Sanctuary, National Park, Biosphere Reserve, and all of this. That's okay, Amra. I am glad that you like it. Great. Hi, Anushka. Ayushi, I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you, dearest? Come on, come on, come on. Where are they? Yes, very good, Anushka. You're right. Yes, Chitramani, Smita, Jain. Very good. Hi, Maitri, Mishra. Poaching matlab when the animals are killed for a part of their body, like the rhinoceros are killed for their horns, the elephants are killed for their tusks. When you have an economic, high yukti, when you have an economical or a commercial benefit in their killing. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you so much. That's great. Thank you, Manmoiri. Oh, KBC starting today. That's nice. Salute to the legendary Amitabh Bachchan. Yeah, seriously, at this age also, he is doing so well. Okay. So, Khushbu, Subhashri, Archana, Ronit, Harsh, Shanmukh, Varsha, Pokemon, Harshita, and Supriti. And we have got Khushbu as the fastest. We have got Pokemon and Shanmukh who are having a tie apple pie. And with that, we move on to the fantastic fourth question. Okay. So guys, whether it is a wildlife sanctuary or a national park or a biosphere reserve, nowhere they can allow hunting and poaching. That is not allowed anywhere. You can't hunt or poach animals. Rather, it's not allowed anywhere. The part of the earth which supports the biodiversity is called a atmosphere, biosphere, biology, or biodiversity, where the entire biodiversity, that is the plants, animals, water, tribals, everyone is protected. The Pachmari, it is atmosphere, biosphere, biology, or biodiversity. What is it? What is it? Come on. Great, Adya. आवडलं तुम्हाला खूपच छान एकदम मस्त लय भारी. Biodiversity means the variety in the flora, fauna, the variety in the plants, animals. Chalo. Yes, I have definitely watched that movie, Geetha. Chalo. 109 of you are correct. The answer is a biosphere. And on the super board, we have got Khushbu, Shubhashri, Shanmukh, Harshita, Harsh, Supriti, Lomesh, Ishit, Sahilok, and Aditi. Khushbu, you are the fastest. And we have got a tie between Harshita and Ishit. Beautiful. Chalo. Next question, the question number fantastic 5, coming on your screens now. Hi Mehvil, Mehvil, I remember you. No, Akansha, a part of my family lives there, but I am not there. Hi Nikita, thank you so much. Sanctuary is a place where dash are protected. Animals, plants, humans are none of these. What will you protect in a sanctuary? What will you protect in a sanctuary? Oh, you're from Kolar, Geeta, you're from Kolar. The place where there are coal mines. Right, Geeta? Chalo. Great, amazing. Yes, Anushka, right. Smita, Nikita, Devraj, Divyanshu. Yes, you are right. Likhita, Soumya. Yes, Geeta. Chalo, amazing. 125, you are correct. In a sanctuary, you will protect the animals. In a biosphere reserve, you will protect the plants. Okay? Plants and animals, everything basically. On the super board, we have got Khushbu, Shubhashri, Shanmukh, Lomesh, Harsh, Aditi, Sahilok, Varsha, Saloni, and Kashish. Khushbu, you're the fastest. I don't know, Khushbu, how do you do it? Amazing. And no tie, no apple pie. With that, let us fix the question number 6. Let us fix question number 6 on your screens. Now, the last question. Hi Lakshmi Priya. Hi Utkalika. That's a beautiful name. The Pachmari Biosphere Reserve consists of 2 wildlife sanctuaries called Boria and Pachmari and Satpura. Satpura and Boria, none of these. I told you it's super important. Super important. Hi Ishan. Yes, definitely Kalpana. You've got such beautiful hill stations in Tamil Nadu. You've got Pondicherry, not in Tamil Nadu, but yeah, you need to pass through Tamil Nadu. Beautiful state. All these 29 states of India are super beautiful along with the union territories. Our country is the best. Right? So I told you it is super important, guys. Satpura is a national park. Satpura is a national park. Bori and Pachmari are the wildlife sanctuaries. Okay? Chalo. With that, we have the winner also along with the fastest finger superstars. Khushbu, Shubhashri, Shanmukh, Varsha, Aditi, Lomesh, Harsh, Saloni, Himanshi, and Aditya. So Khushbu, you are the fastest, and there you go. Once again, Khushbu, you are the winner of the Mentee. Great, Khushbu, amazing speech. Great, super good. So Khushbu, guys, Khushbu is a person who, like, whenever she is in the Mentee, thank you, Anik, that's great phrase that you have framed. So if Khushbu is in the Mentee, it is quite possible that Khushbu is going to be the winner. I don't know how she does it, but yes, she does it. She manages that. Right? With that, guys, let me tell you that if at all you make a wise decision of joining my classes, we guarantee you an improvement in your score. So if you want to join me, just go to vdng.in/ytpro and use PRO as your coupon code to get an additional 10% off. And when you join Vedatu, we guarantee you an improvement in your performance. And if you do not get an improvement in your performance, we will refund you your entire fees, and that is a VIP Vedantu improvement promise. So guys, my batches for grade 8 have already started a few. The remaining are starting from the 27th of September for CBSE, and for foundation and league they are starting from 30th August. Even for premium batches they are starting from 30th August and from the 6th of September for ICSE. So you just need to go on the link, use PRO, and guys, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and in your school WhatsApp groups, and do subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free. With that, guys, this is Pritesh Joshi, your host, your dose, and a proud master teacher from Vedantu. Signing off for now, only to see you really soon. But till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Have a great time. God bless all of you.